Hi everyone. So today I've decided I'm going to show you a quick trick that enables you to actually track the changes that you'll make to fields. It's something that's often requested by clients, so I think it's interesting to show it to you. It's basically just a matter of adding tracking equal true on the field definition. So I've created quite a few fields, a lot of different types of fields, but it's always working the same way. And so I've added these in a form view right here, just so I can show you. And so the idea is that once you've added the tracking equals true, if you have a chatter in the same view, you'll see the changes being logged and attached to the name of the user that did those changes. So for instance, if I change the phone number to this, you'll see the change reflected here with the time of the change and posted by the users who made those changes. So it's really interesting to kind of keep track of who's making changes and sometimes even figure out why a mistake happened. So it's really important. I've added it on all these fields, so as you can see, you can do this on booleans as well. It's just going to show you the change of state. Same goes for instance, the states here that I've defined. If I set it to active, then you'll see the state change here, and you always see the name of the field that was changed here. So it's really useful for debugging as well. And two other small examples of it are, for instance, one where I didn't add the tracking, so this won't be shown and you won't see it here. But if I do add something here, hello chatter, this one was tracked, so you do see it added. And I think that's pretty much it. The only tips I can give you to get this to work is obviously you'd have to have a chatter in that view to actually see the changes being logged. So I did have to add it here, right here in the view, just so I could see the changes that I made. And another important point about it is that you would have to inherit from the mail module, and specifically those two models, mail thread and mail activity mixin, because those are the ones that allow you to use the chatter and actually track messages and times and so on. So I'm pretty sure that's totally needed if you want this to work like I showed you right now. And I think that's about it, but hope it's going to be helpful for you. And see you next time. Bye.